Our Centennial location over off of Dry Creek in Yosemite has been one of our best stores, quite honestly, on how things have grown and turned into such an incredibly great business venture.
We call it the Mighty 5-Bay. It's just a 5-bay operation. I say just, but it's probably one of the busiest stores in our operation. They're in the tech center taking care of the residential and the tech center crowds.
I've been, for the most part, at our store in Centennial, and the customers that have been coming in there have been coming in forever. We know these people so well, we know them by name, and it's actually scary that we know them as well as we do.
Everyone I've referred here has said that they absolutely love it. I am constantly referring my friends.
It's nice to have people that know what they're doing and can explain it to me and dumb it down for me because I know nothing.
As a company, we offer fleet discounts, we offer group account discounts as well, and we have one that we call Friends and Family. And that's pretty much everybody that comes in. We do the best that we can, and they're all friends.
My name's Tanner Miller. I'm the manager at Pride Auto Care. I've been here for about 4 years.
Our manager at the Centennial location, Tanner, has been with us for quite some time now, and he is just awesome at what he does.
Great shop, great location. Tech crew is unbelievable, very knowledgeable, very friendly.
The company itself has invested a lot of time and money into not only our front personnel, but into our technicians as well in the back.
You know, we really aim to please, but we also aim to save people money, you know, which is going to keep them coming back, and we kind of consider them part of our extended family as well.
It's amazing how great things go when you have a guy who cares about the customer and realizes that it's the customer, not the car per se. We'll get the car taken care of, but taking care of the customer is what's paramount.